The world is looking for a trusted partner, ladies and gentlemen, and that trusted partner is you. You are the trusted partners the world wants to engage with, the world wants to deal with. Sometimes people say, you set very high targets. And for the last 7 years, probably a lot of, at least certainly my officials have been troubled by the targets that I've set. But I promise you, friends, I set it because I know you. I trust you can do it. And when I trust you can do it, I know that it will happen. And I can list out so many things which personally I have benefited from my engagement with you, all of you and the business community, which the nation has benefited because of the extra effort that each one of you has put. And with this government-private synergy that Prime Minister Modi has been able to build up, with the visionary leadership that he has provided to the nation for the last 7 years, I think today every Indian feels empowered. Every Indian feels invigorated. Every Indian feels confident that we can do it. We must do it. Actually, we owe it not only to every Indian, we owe it to the world today. Because what we can provide to the world, no other country can. Skilled manpower, competitive manufacturing costs, honest trade and business, rule of law, a judiciary and a media which ensures fair play, a government that is sensitive to your concerns and your needs, a partnership between the people of India, between businesses, government, working in tandem for the welfare, progress and prosperity of 130 crore Indians. It's no more who can do it. It's we will do it.